Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 BMW X3 M. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I do see a scratch here. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing no paint chips or scratches. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the driver's side doors. Front and back door are perfect, no scratches at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on it, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Okay, looking at the back, the trunk looks perfect and the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, no scratches on it, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back doors over here look perfect. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches on them at all. Now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel, and everything here looks excellent. And I'm not seeing no curb rash on the wheel. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. And the back seat is perfect as well. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, that seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Okay, so the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.